Hello mates, today I'm gonna talk about few websites in which you can earn money easily. What will you have to do? I'm gonna tell you every step to get money. If you already subscribed to my channel, my special thanks to you. But if you are a newbie to my channel, just subscribe and see the magic. Well, there are lots of websites to work, but which one should I trust? Or which one is reliable? Everyone has this question in their mind. So today I'll tell you a couple of websites name in which they are quite reliable. Actually, these websites are legitimate websites to earn money. Actually, we waste our time unnecessarily, but what if we get money for every moment or every hour? The choice is yours. All I'm offering you is just a way to start earning. So our first website is TryMyUI, get the user's view. So how can you improve your product? Watch videos of real people using your website and find out. So you can work here, but first of all you have to do is just free trial. Click on this button. Okay, so how it works: set up your test, write a list of tasks you want users to perform on your website, pick your target user, choose from a wide array of demographic factors to find the right users. And the last thing to earn money is watch the video. Collect videos to hear what users are thinking and see where they are getting stuck. So Jordan Becker says the review. So there are lots of reviews, lots of men, Indians, Americans, UK, Canadians, Australians, people work here and they get the money. So you can see the associated names are here, websites or names are there. So this is the most trustworthy website in internet. So okay, our next website is Userlytics. So actually it's a scalable and customized user research, and that tells you what Userlytics tells you why. So actually this website is so great, and it's actually select your target persona. You can use your worldwide panel and leverage our demographic filters, as well as set up a custom screener or bring your own users. And second thing is define goals, tasks, questions. Define the tasks user need to complete on your site, app or prototype. Use advanced UT metrics such as time on tasks, success or failure, SUS and PS or SEQ. Number 3 is get instant feedback. In just minutes you receive qualitative and quantitative data and insights. Use our instant timestamped and searchable transcription service. Identify key events and comments. Create shareable annotation or clips or highlight reels and easily share with your team. So we can see the most advanced UT features. Okay, there are lots of features: automated transcription, personal identity information protection, branding logic, advanced UT metrics, full picture in feature videos. Now we can see that all the pictures here, and okay, that's all, and that's the one of the best trustworthy websites internet, and you can work here. Don't waste your time in roaming or wandering any other website. Just work here, and accurately, if you can work here, you can earn $100 daily. So our next website is UserTesting. So actually UserTesting is a great customer experience. Starts with human insight, and they see here and talk to customers as they engage with your products, apps and messaging. Build better experience and make more informed decisions by putting the customer at the center of your business. So in this website you can work as a trial, and the second thing you can earn is watching videos. So if you watch videos you can earn money daily. You know, or we watch videos daily actually and waste our valuable times, but what if we get the money for every moment we watch videos? So actually IU experience says customer centric. 75% of organizations believe themselves to be customer centric. So this is how it works: target your audience, engage and empathize, discover insights, sharing learnings. So connect you with your exact customers, see you and talk to your customers, uncover insights about any experience, share key insight across your organization. So that is how you income, or that is how you earn legitimate money. So that's the one of the best websites to earn money, and the choice is yours actually. Okay, our next website is Userfeel. Now Userfeel is quick and easy user testing. All you have to do is a testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use your website or app. Userfeel was designed and developed by usability researchers for usability, but also for newcomers to UX research and anyone who wants to optimize their website or app. So actually, you can work here as a trial or usability test to see all features. So this website is so great that you can see all these companies, all these websites are trusted, or they gave the trustworthy bet. So you can see TripAdvisor, Rakuten, Four Seasons, Office Depot, Sata, 99 Design, Scanida, 1Password, McKinsey, and Lowe's. So these great companies and thousands more use Userfeel to make their websites and apps better. So my friend or my brothers or my sisters just work here and run a usability test and start earning money. Okay, so our next website is WhatUsersDo. WhatUsersDo is now part of the UserZoom family. So what it actually do is get on demand videos of your customers using your website or app, speaking their thought, identify bugs and conversation killers on your key customer journeys. Number 3 is use these insights to improve customer experience and grow, optimize and scale your business. So okay, our worker member says Andy Curry, head of UX and design. The WhatUsersDo platform makes looking through the videos and analyzing them simple. It's easy to make UX testing via the platform a part of our whole process. And another man, Tom Waterfall, head of CRO, lost my name. Okay, WhatUsersDo has allowed us to quickly obtain feedback directly from users in different markets and with different backgrounds as early as the prototyping stage. Matt Curry, head of e-commerce, Love Annie. So Love Annie, the sexual abuse people. So the company says in terms of utility, it's priceless. It means I can talk to customers without having to leave my desk, and you can get feedback straight away. So if you're from UK or USA or France or Germany or Netherlands and beyond, and choose 30000 people and or use your own, you can work as if you want. Just it's up to you. Okay, our next website is Domain by Service. Inquire now and enroll.com could be yours today. How does the domain by service work? Work with you and set a budget for purchase of this domain name. Negotiate a deal with the current owner of this domain and agree on a price between yourself and the owner, followed with a secure sale and transfer of the domain, or hire us to work for you. Please complete the form and let us know the optimal time one of your professional brokers can contact you. Giving us basic idea plans and budget ahead of time will help us prepare prior to our consultation. So if you want to work here, all you have to do is just put your name, email address, phone number, and write here a short message. Okay, and then click on the next button, and then you are done. You're gonna start making money every day. So that's the best website, and I've told you the choice is yours. What will you do? And you can see that $59 per inquiry plus commission. So actually mate, about them, Registry has a team of 40 plus brokers who speak over 40 languages including English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Taiwanese, German, Afrikaans, Urdu, Hindi, and Punjabi. Our brokers are spread all over the globe, giving us the best opportunity to get you the name you want. We currently represent over 12 million domain names for sale and sell millions of dollars of those names per month. So, what are the frequently asked questions about this website? What is a domain by service? If you heard search on domain name but someone else has it registered, our domain by service can help get you. With this service, you are assigned a dedicated domain broker who will discuss the inquiry with you phone and decide how to best contact the current owner to negotiate a potential sale for domain name exclusively on your behalf. We are experts in negotiating the best price possible, keeping your interest confidential and ensuring a swift and secure transaction and transfer of the domain to your ownership. How can I be sure a domain by service is the right thing for me? We handle inquiries from clients that are new to the domain name aftermarket and we don't know how to acquire domains themselves. Clients that require a secure transaction and transfer, client who insist on confidentiality to protect their interest, or all of the above. So there are lots of frequent asked questions and you don't have to worry about what is the money and where the money come from and will you be paid or not, or will you be betrayed, or this is treachery or anything. You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to worry about that you will get the money if you work accurately. That's all, and thank you for watching my video and thumb up my video.